Hello folks, today we are doing a video here down into a basement in an older home, and what caught my attention here is that I see my floor joist, and I kind of do my best I can. There's no electric going on. My floor joists are sagging. So what I see here is then, so I stand back to see what's happening here with the sagging. Don't touch the electric. And anyway, so we come down here and you can see, and we got us a water leak, and we got a nice water leak right above our electrical. So that's awesome. But come over here, and now you see my beam right here, right? And it's holding my floor joist up. That's why I'm thinking, okay, we had to do something. Let's see about the base here, if it's secured. And if sitting on piers, well, it's not. They're just totally rotted away. There's nothing there. It's just, well, we call that an air pier, meaning it's just sitting on a pier. Now, we do got one sitting here, but it's not sitting on anything, any kind of structure, just sitting on the pad itself, but it's all rotted away. And now let's come in here, and now you see that. What's happened here is there's a stairwell on the other side, and this is cracked, broke all the way through. So some of these things, this is what you're looking for, and if you see this, then you know you got some problems between the leak, the electric, the floor joist. Big problem. Well, thank you folks for watching our videos, and give us a call, Galloway Building Services. We'd love to be able to help you in any kind of service you would ever have. Wow, what a mess. Ugh.